G'day, welcome to I Cultivate. My name's Steve. Today we're going to be having a look at the truly amazing Monet's garden in Giverny, France. I'm sure you'd agree that these are really stunning gardens. So keep watching right through to the end because there's quite a few more to come. But do remember there's a link down below where you can find more details out about these amazing gardens. Now, I'm sure you would agree that Monet's garden is truly amazing. The inspiration that I'm taking from that visit to his garden is going to enable me to do, I hope, some amazing things in my own garden back in Australia. So can I please ask you to go down to the thumbs up and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and go to our website icultivate.net and become a member of the community. But remember, there's a link down below that will enable you to have a look at a whole range of gardening things that you might like to consider. Thanks for watching.